First, add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Add 100 grams cut cashew nuts. Fry the cashew nuts until they're golden brown. They are done. Now put them aside in a bowl. Take 100 grams of rice. Wash it thoroughly with water. Leave it to soak for 10 minutes. Now strain the rice, separating the water from the rice. Now add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Mix well. Take 300 grams molasses and put ample amount of water and boil the molasses until they are liquid. Make sure to dry out the water after the molasses become liquid. Take 3 liters milk and boil the milk until it's clear of impurities. Take 4 cardamoms. Open them up a little bit. Don't open them up too much. Now mix again. Now put aside 1 cup of milk. This will be needed. Now mix the milk again. Add the rice that was coated in the clarified butter. Mix it well and make sure the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. I will show you how the rice should look. The rice shouldn't be fully cooked, but also not completely raw. They should be like this. Here's another example. I have taken 100 grams batasha. This is a substitute for sugar. Now pour some of the milk into a bowl. Mix 100 grams powdered milk with it. This will make the paste thick. It should be like this. Now with the remaining milk, add saffron. This will give taste to the paste. Make sure you continue to mix the paste, and the rice doesn't stick to the bottom or the sides of the pan. Now add the powder milk. Put 50 grams raisins. Add the cashew nuts. Now add the saffron mixed milk. Put half of it now and the rest of it for garnish. Now mix it again. Don't worry, it's almost done. Now leave to rest and make sure it cools down. It has cooled down now. I will show you how the consistency should look like. Add the molasses from before. If you add the molasses before the paste cools down, it will not taste good. You have to let the paste rest before adding the molasses. Now mix the paste for the last time. Enjoy!